Hello everyone. Today I will be telling you about the easy way to get discount and promo code. So first of all, open your browser and type Uttercoupon. Click the link of Uttercoupon. So here we the Uttercoupon website. Uttercoupon is one of the best discount and promo code hub. Uttercoupon provides so many different coupons. It is all branded coupons available in this store. Now I type the word safe and check coupon code. Click search. Here the store page will appear. Click the view detail for safe and check coupon code. Safe and check coupon code is one of the best fashion and makeup and cosmetics for the women's. It is the one of the best discount for safe and check coupons up to 20% off side wide. And there are different coupons available in this store. Utter coupons, daily update for the coupons. I choose up to 20% of side-wide coupons. Click get code. So here the code will appear. You can copy this code and use it up to 20% of side-wide safe and check coupon code. Thank you.